What's up mga ka-AMU? Panibagong araw, panibagong unboxing na naman ang ating gagawin. Ngayong araw, i-unbox natin ang men's t-shirt. Are simple and comfortable in solid color and high quality cotton with short. So, basahin muna natin yung specifications and details. Please refer to the size table for accurate measurement. Do not assume that these are measured by the appropriate age group. 100% perfect t-shirt, crew neck or round neck, short sleeves, comfortable to wear. The lowest price can be paid in cash, shipped the next day, no minimum order required. Announcement: please be careful when trying to wash t-shirts for the first time. Rinse t-shirt carefully in water for a short period of time to remove excess colors. The pictures taken and the actual object will have some color differences. If you mind, please do not place the order. If the order is not out of stock, it is not allowed to cancel the order. Please read the product description carefully before placing the order. Mode of transportation: whether it is in JNT and Ninja Van Express, suitable for small batch orders, can only accommodate 3 pairs of shoes or 2 large bags weighing no more than 5 kg. JNT and Ninja Van own packaging, no order limit. Maximum weight 50 kg. Delivery time: Metro Manila 3 to 5 working days, provincial level 4 to 9 working days. Welcome to the official factory outlet store. Factory outlet stores provide high quality products. We provide the most fashionable designs at reasonable prices. Factory Direct, MF Sanis. I-open na natin siya. So, ang kulay na nasa loob is yellow, medium, pink, and teal green. Medium. So, yung yellow and yung pink pati teal green. O, diba? Yan.